Hey YouTube, today I am just very glad. This is so awesome. For me, you know what? I'm ready now, guys. I'm excited. Again, I'm not changing my mind. If you guys understand this, a lot of bad things happened recently in my life, and I didn't feel like, dealing with a relationship, with someone, and this is great. Let me be honest. I really do love her. And when I mean love her, I'm talking about um, my girlfriend, Angel. She's a great person, I'm sorry again. Oh, sorry. I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm back. So yeah, what I was going to say is that I still really love her. I really love Angel. I believe that's her name. Could be like Angela, some like extended thing I don't know about. I just got half of her name, let's just say. I really love her. I know what she looks like. And yeah, no, let me tell my testimony a little bit. So recently something just like, happened where yeah, like I wasn't wanting to deal with a relationship because I don't want to fail just like my parents did, you know? That's why I didn't feel like I was like ready. And then the past, like the past, like the thing you're supposed to leave at the door, that thing. Okay, so I actually held on to it, and because all the events that are going on in my life, I didn't feel up to a relationship. And oh yeah, and sorry, yeah. So I was gonna apologize to her though, because let me be honest. Now I'm just ready, Um, I am ready. I know you can't really tell if you're like saying like, oh, this guy keeps on flipping his mind. We can't believe him. Again, no, I wasn't making fun of anyone, but yeah, the whole or and also sorry, not but and also sorry. The whole thing in L2 is I want to apologize to her. Maybe when we meet, I might have a better song written for her, and we are gonna meet. It's gonna be amazing. Again, like I'm not saying. I know. Okay, so guys, this is weird. I'm not sure what to say about this, and I hope you guys may know this too, especially on the Christianity side of my religion. If you guys know this, um, yeah, we can see what we can see through Jesus Christ. He's omnipresent. He's everywhere. And really, I know the Lord wants me because my heart, because she's everything I prayed for. And I'm really going to say as the Lord speaking to me about this is that I don't want to lose someone really great, she's amazing. I want to apologize to her though about like maybe not writing a really good song, of course. Maybe I'm gonna write her a new song when I meet her. Yeah. And I said when I meet her. See? Let me tell you. I don't do the whole imaginary girlfriend thing. Let me just say, I know what she looks like. She is amazing. I can explain it still. She has just like I'm not sure. Like to me, she's like someone who came from like heaven. So what's so cool is I can still remember she's tannish looking. Let's just say that. She likes wearing really unique, let's say, sweaters, and I think they might be Converse jeans and Converse shoes. And when I meet her, though, she's gonna be wearing those exact same shoes that I'm explaining. It's gonna be pretty awesome. And yeah, and they are black and white. So yeah, if you guys are wondering what kind of Converse shoes they look like, yeah. When I meet her, I know she's gonna be the one, and I know that for a fact. Because again, I am a Christian. I am saying this. I'm a Christian, and maybe I go to a Christian hip hop site or something. I'm not sure. Like for me, it's not. I don't hate on it all. It's not like anything like that. It's just like for me, I'm just tired of stories about if you know the stories as well as I do, but I gotta let go of the past. Just move on, be who I am. Okay, and know I got some great testimonies. For me, I'm just saying to still tell them here on YouTube, but I think when the time is right, because I don't want people just being like, saying all this like slander yet or anything like that. Because I'm gonna be a rapper in the future. That's gonna be the truth. I am gonna be a rapper in the future. I'm gonna be working at Starbucks. Again, I got nothing to hide. And just when the time comes, I'm gonna be eating shrimp right now too. Wait, no, sorry. This is a really surreal video. I love Angel. Um, yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm sorry. I'm gonna apologize about that. I was about to do it, but no, no. She's a really great person, though. Again, one thing I would like to explain about her, like, if I can put in a song, like half the song, if I'm like rerunning, like, yeah, Angel, she's the one for me. Oh yes, I gotta say, still I gotta say, I can't stop thinking about you. Yeah, she's always on my mind. I gotta say, oh yes, I know it might still sound like the same song. Still, I'm gonna put this in the rap too. So, hi, my name is Cameron, also known as Zycam. Also the one that you're gonna, of course, marry in the future. At the same time too, what is really awesome too, I feel like I 100% know you. That is true. Even though we haven't met yet, yeah, it's true. I'm gonna say it's so amazing. I can't stop thinking about you. I can say I can think about my great friends, and I don't think of any girls. Oh yes. Now I'm going to say this too. All 100% is true. I cannot wait to meet you. Yeah, it's true. What is so awesome too is I know you're the one for me, and I'm gonna say there could be no other too, right? So now I'm gonna say it is amazing. I cannot wait to meet you. It could be one day at Starbucks or somewhere, even on the street. It'll be nice to meet you where I am. And I gotta say, you're the only one I'm thinking about. And that's the end. Angel? Or it could be Angela. I really love you. Yeah, that's for you. And you know who you are. So, yeah, that was for you. And guys, yeah, I really am taken. Well, of course, by my Heavenly Father and also my sweet wife. And again, I don't mean like a gay term, I don't mean it like that. It just, I'm not sure what else to explain about her. She's amazing. I really am ready to let go of the past and move on to the future. And I love her. And know what? I think 100% or not thinking, knowing, not thinking. I will no longer think because, the past is holding me back. So I think it's for me, knowing that she is the one for me. And that is going to be a great thing. Like, I'm a surreal guy. I know everyone loves me in sort of sense. Weird, actually respectful. Though, I'm already taken. That's right. And then I know there'll be some people like, oh, where is she now? Stuff like that. Like, well, like I said, she is in Arkansas. Like I said. And okay, this is good. Okay, I'm so sorry. I was eating shrimp. I was not lying about that. I'm sorry. I apologize. It was supposed to be a. Okay, I'm so sorry. I love shrimp. Okay, so yeah. Well, I know. Of course, I really do love angels. So yeah, guys, just know if you see me on the street or whatever, and you're gonna be all like weird anyways, just know this: I'm taken. You know. I'm gonna say it here. I'm gonna say it now here on YouTube while eating shrimp. Or did a really awesome song. I'm taken. So yeah, I know this is funny. And then I bet she would go back 1 year, a month or so, and be like, "Hey, were you eating shrimp while you're making this video?" Like, yeah, I was. Stuff is good. It's like finger looking good. Like it was like Popeyes. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for all the support. I really gotta say I do love her. And the thing is too, let me tell you a reason why I believe she did her schoolwork really well and was really fast with it, I bet. Maybe she wasn't motivated until she knew about me. Like, that's the truth. Because when we have this God connection, she was gonna be seeing the same things I'll be seeing. Like, I never knew my future wife was gonna be until I seen her. And it really is the truth. And again, you think it might be some like weird supernatural anime cliche or something. It's not really. It's still in the supernatural realm kind of thing, you could say. But yeah, I'm really a Christian. And when you're a Christian, when you get into the religion as well, is you can actually see a better path, not just a path of darkness. You might walk on a path of darkness for a temporary time, or you feel like you're walking a temporary time, dark path of, or path of darkness. But the truth is, let me tell you this. Excuse me. Some people cannot see their future, so they think, "Oh, I must have a dark future. I'll become a criminal." That's not the truth. You guys have a great future. If you guys are still like, "Oh, I'm not sure I'm gonna have a great future or not because this happened in life, this happened in life," don't hold on to the past. It will make you more and more of a criminal, you know. And do better things for your life. You guys thinking about, like, I'm gonna say some of you. I know there's gonna be some kids watching this right now. I'm thinking, oh, I still think there's nothing great in my future, so I want to go do all this crime and stuff like that. No, wait, don't. You gotta listen to me. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. If you still are alive, you still have a great future. Or, sorry, you're still alive, you'll still have a great future. Sorry, not if. You will. So you guys understand where I'm coming from, right? So yeah. So yeah, this video is about letting go of the past as well, and I am ready for a relationship with a she, of course. And I am taken. And again, you guys can be as weird, no offense, as weird as you want to, but I'm like, why do you want me? Like, there's millions of others inside, and I'm already taken, so yeah. So yeah, if you guys see my street, or on the street, even on my street, I'm taken. No one is going to be as great as the one that's coming. And I really love her. So guys, thank you for listening to my heart a little bit. I am ready now. Just remember this though too. When you're in a relationship, I did not know this. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Look, I bet you guys wonder, what is that speck? That is part of the shrimp. It's like some spicy shrimp. So yeah, guys, sorry. If you're thinking something else. Oh my gosh, I just love being myself, you know? Because there's nothing wrong about being myself. I like fighting games, love anime. For a temporary time now, it's so weird. Like, I'm realizing this. Maybe I don't want to, like, in the future, buy extras to, like, dating sims. Because I'll be going on, like, a date anyways, and it's gonna be amazing. So, guys, like and subscribe. I'm saying, if you love the future as much as I do, the future is great. There is so much stuff you can do in the future. Not saying as a religious, Christian believer, I'm actually saying it, like, there's a great, like, say if I wasn't a believer, and I am saying I am still a believer, I'm not gonna let go of my faith in Jesus Christ. I'm just saying, like, for, in general or example, if I was not a Christian, I would be like, no offense, this is what I'll be like. Okay, ready? This would be the most soulless thing, like, ever. Like, there's nothing great in my future. All I can see is, it's a black circle, you know? There's nothing going on. And guys, I'm not making fun of you guys. I'm just saying, like, that's what's sad. Like, when people are not into a peaceful thinking or right mind, that's what's gonna happen. And that's kind of sad to me, like, because, you know, they are great people. It's like, ask them what they really want to do in life. They'll say the main thing before they do something dumb is like, oh, all I want to do is become an artist, a guitar player, a singer, and that was all I wanted to do in my life. And those are great goals. Like, go for it if you're like that. And yeah, so guys, I have really gotta say I had fun talking about this and doing one extra, like, song thing. So guys, like and subscribe. And I know I love talking to you all here on YouTube. I'll be on Twitch. And guys, you know, Camera19, follow. And I will see you guys till then, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.